Hello, my dear student. Very good evening to all of you. I am Rahul Shukla. I welcome you English Medium Study Channel under the guidance of respected Wasim sir. How you all? I hope you all are fine. First of all, my dear student, share this video with your all friends. Hello, my dear student. Very good evening. I am watching your comment. Very good evening, Mr. Shonwani, Anshika Mishra, Abhi, Divyanshi. Very good evening. Avnish, very good evening, very good evening to all of you, my dear student. Should I start? Are you ready? First of all, share this video with your all friend. Very good evening, Akansha. Share this video with your all friends. Are you ready? Should I start? Anshika. Very good evening, Anshika. First of all, share this video. Anshika, Akansha, Avnish, Divyansi, Abhi, Mr. Sonwani. Share this video with your all friends. Should I start? Are you ready? Are you ready, my dear students? Very good evening, Deepen Singh. Okay, ready. Very good. Mr. Sonwani is always ready. Very good. Okay, let's see. Let's see. This is your first question. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. List 1, its example, and list 2, groups. A. Amphibians. B. Aves. C. Reptiles. And D. Mammals. And you have to match list 1 to list 2, cold-blooded, warm-blooded. Options are A, B, C, D. Write down the correct answer of this question. Which one will be the correct answer? Very good evening, Divyanshi, Anshika, Ankit, Anand, Prachi. Okay, ready. You all are ready. Okay, very good. Now, give the answer. Give the answer of this question. Fast. Write down fast. Write down the correct answer of this question. Roji Khan, very good evening, Roji. I'm waiting, my dear student. Write down the correct answer of this question. Fast. It's a very important question for all upcoming one-day examination. Very good evening, Babita Pandey. Answer, please. Premchand Yadav ji, very good evening, Premchand. Deepen A, okay. Deepen C, okay. You opted C option. Okay, go ahead. Which one will be the correct answer? C. Aves, reptiles, mammals, amphibians. Is it clear? Okay, mammals, warm-blooded. Suppose we are mammals, so mammals have warm-blooded. D2. Is there any D2? D2. Okay, option A, option B will be wrong. Next one, reptiles. Reptiles like lizards, reptiles like snake. Okay, reptiles are cold-blooded. C1. Is there any C1? C1. Okay, common. Again common. Next one, aves. Aves means like birds, like sparrow, like all kinds of bird belong to aves. So aves are warm-blooded. B2. Is there any B2? Yes, B2 is here. So C will be the correct answer. A1. Amphibians are cold-blooded. cold-blooded. Is it clear? Amphibians are cold-blooded, aves are warm-blooded, reptiles are cold-blooded, and mammals are warm-blooded. Is it clear? Okay. So the correct answer of this question will be C. Okay. Let's see the another question. Yes, this is your next question. Which of the following is true about the bat? My dear student, about the bat. Is it clear? Okay. About the bat. Next one, you can say, you can add here about bats, BATS. Is it clear? Okay. Next one, option 1, or you can say statement 1, bats are mammals. Second, bats, again here is your bats, again here bats have wings which are actually the modified forelimbs. Third, bats are nocturnal in habit. Option A 1 and 3, option B 2 and 3, option C 1, 2 and 3, option D 1 and 2. Yes, write down the correct option of second question. Write down fast. Aman, very good evening. Aman, Babita ji, very good evening. Deependra, Anshika, Babita sir sees the answer. Okay, good, very good. Babita, Roji Khan, you deleted your answer. Abhi Sharma, C. Okay, Virendra, Ankit, Deependra, very good. Write down the correct answer of second question fast. I am watching your comment. Divyanshi, C. Okay, you are opting C. Very good, Divyanshi. Virendra, Deependra, very good. The correct answer will be C. Okay, which of the following true about the bats? True. Here you have to find true statements regarding bats. So what is statement 1? Statement 1, bats are mammals. Absolutely correct. Next one, bats have wings which are actually the modified forelimbs. Yes. And third one, bats are nocturnal in habit. Is it clear? Okay. One more thing which I want to tell you here. Bats can produce ultrasonic waves. Ultrasonic waves. Write down in live chat what is the range of ultrasonic waves. Write down in live chat what is the range of ultrasonic waves, which is about more than 20,000 hertz, or you can say more than 20 kilohertz, or 20,000 hertz. It's a range of ultrasonic waves. Next question. Ultrasonic waves is a types of sound. It's a types of sound. What is sound? Which type of wave is sound? Write down in live chat. Sound is, which type of wave is sound? Write down fast. Sound is a mechanical waves. Sound is a mechanical waves. There are two types of mechanical waves. Number 1, longitudinal waves. Number 2, transverse wave. Longitudinal and transverse wave. Example of sound. Sound is an example of longitudinal waves. And longitudinal waves travel in compression. Longitudinal waves travel, or you can say propagate, longitudinal waves propagate. This is your compression, and this one use rarefaction, rare rarefaction. This is your rarefaction. And next one, compression. Distance between, listen carefully, distance between two consecutive compression or rarefaction is known as wavelength, and wavelength is represented by lambda. Lambda is your wavelength. Is it clear? On the basis of frequency, there are three types of sound. Number one, audible sound, or you can say sonic waves. Sonic waves is also known as audible sounds. Why we call it as a audible sound? Because our ears are sensitive to audible sound, or you can say sonic waves. Write down what is the range of sonic waves, which is about 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Is it clear? Okay, next one is your infrasonic waves. What is range? It's about less than 20 hertz, And what about ultrasonic waves, which is about more than 20 kilohertz. Is it clear? Which is about more than 20 kilohertz. Is it clear? Okay, I hope you understood properly. Okay, go ahead with next question. This is your next question. Match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. This is list 1, this is list 2. List 1, leucoplast. B, chloroplast. C, mitochondria. D, vacuoles. List 2, generate energy, turgidity and rigidity in plant cell, storage, synthesis of food in leaves. Options are A, B, C, D. Yes, write down the correct answer of third question. Yes, my dear student, I am watching your comment. Write down fast. Avnish Shukla, about 20,000. Very good, Avnish. Mr. Sonwani, Ankit, Divyanshi, Akanksha, Dipendra, Divyanshi, very good. Dazzling Nirmal, very good evening, Nirmal. Avnish, Divyanshi, very good, very good. Okay, you all are opting absolutely correct answer. Write down fast. Write down the correct answer of third question. I am watching your comment. Write down answer and share this video with your friends. Roji, D. Okay, Roji is opting D. Okay, good. And Dipendra, C. Vijay, D. Okay. Antima Singh, D. Okay. Dipendra Singh, Prachi, D. Okay. Nirmal, D. Okay, okay. Vijay, D. Okay, okay. Very good, very good. Srishti Rai, D. Akanksha, D. Prachi, D. Vijay, D. Okay, okay. Very good. Let's see which one will be the correct answer. Which one will be the correct answer? Number 1, this is your vacuoles. Vacuoles, what is the main function of vacuoles? Turgidity and rigidity in plant cell. Okay, vacuoles. Okay, next one, mitochondria. Mitochondria generate energy. D2. Is there any D2? Is there any D2? Yes, this one is D2. Next one, C1. Is there any C1? C1. Options are different. D2. Okay, okay. Sorry. This one D, this one D2. Is there any option D? This one, D2. So which one will be wrong? A will be wrong, A will be wrong, C will be wrong. D2, D2, okay. D2, this one, okay. C1, C1, C, 1, 1. Again, both are common. Okay, 2, 2, 1, 1. Next one, chloroplast. Chloroplast. What is the main function of chloroplast? Chloroplast helps to synthesis of food in leaves. B4, B4. This one, B4. Is there any B4? B4, 3, 4. Yes, D. Very good, very good. D will be those students who have opted D option. Absolutely correct answer. Very good. Very good, my dear student. Nirmal, Shivam, Ankit, Anand, Akanksha, Aman, Divyanshi. Very good, very good. You all have opted absolutely correct answer. Very good. Antima. Okay, good. Go ahead with next question. This is your fourth question. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the answer from the codes given below. List 1 to list 2. List 1, photosynthesis. B, stomata. C, chlorophyll. And D, sunlight. Here, guard cell, carbohydrate, provide energy, trap energy. Options are A, B, C, D. Yes, write down the correct answer. Write down. Very good evening, Shivam. Most welcome in my class. Write down fast. I am watching your comment. What will be the correct answer of fourth question? Fast. Write down. Write down fast. Which one will be the correct answer? Option A, B, C, D. Roji Khan, 4A. Okay. My dear student, whenever you are opting the options, please write down the question number. Then it will be clear. Okay. As Rosie had written here. Roji 4A, Virendra A, okay, Antima A, Srishti A, Anshika A, Prachi B, okay, very good. A, B. Option A, Divyanshi, option A, okay, Divyanshi. Okay, good. Let's see. Let's see which one will be the correct answer. Option, this is your photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. What is the product of photosynthesis? During photosynthesis, formation of glucose, or you can say starch. And glucose or starch are form of, or you can say example of carbohydrate. A2. Is there any A2? A2, yes. C will be wrong, D will be wrong. Okay. Then stomata is a guard cell. B1. Is there any B1? B1, okay. B1. Again, this is wrong. A will be correct. C4. C, chlorophyll, trap energy. D3, sunlight, provide energy. Very good. Again, you all have opted absolutely correct answer. My dear student, write down in live chat. Which mineral present in chlorophyll? Write down. Which mineral present in chlorophyll? Write down fast. I am giving you option. Calcium, iron, manganese, and D, magnesium. Yes, write down fast. Write down fast, my dear student. Which mineral will found in chlorophyll? Yes, fast. 4A. Very good, Divyanshi, Anand, Prachi, Srishti, Antima, Viren. Very good. Akanksha, Prachi, write down. Write down the answer of this. Which mineral will found in chlorophyll? Fast, I am watching your comment. Don't worry, Nirmal. Don't worry, Nirmal. Learn. Because after asking you, I explain the correct answer. Okay? Need not to worry about it. Magnesium, very good. Abhi Sharma, Mr. Sonwani, Roji, Shrishti, Shivam, Abhi, Divyanshi, Akanksha, Ansika, Nirmal, Shivam, very good, very good, very good. The correct answer will be Mg. Mg means magnesium. Next, write down what is the function of magnesium during photosynthesis. Write down what is the function of magnesium during photosynthesis. Yes, very good. It act as a cooling agent. It act as a cooling agent. It means magnesium act as a cooling agent during the process of photosynthesis. Very good. And photosynthesis takes place in green plants, or you can say which type of reaction is known as photosynthetic reaction. Write down which type of reaction is known as photosynthetic reaction. Photosynthetic reaction. Write down fast which type of reaction is known as photosynthetic reaction. When oxidation when oxidation and reduction when oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously, such type of reaction is known as redox reaction. So photosynthetic reaction is known as redox reaction. Very good, my dear student. Dazzling Anand, very good Anand. Anshika, Akanksha, Shivam, Divyansi, cooling agent. Very good. Let's see the another question. Before going to another question, something more. Okay, stomata, as you know very well, photosynthesis, chlorophyll, sunlight. Yes. Okay, good. Go ahead with next question. Next question. This is your next question. I-bud is found in tomato, ginger, potato, garlic. Yes, it's a very interesting question. Recently this question was asked in SSC examination. Yes, very good Anand, Prachi, Shivam, Divyanshi, very good. Very good. You all have given absolutely correct answer. Write down the correct answer of fifth question. Fast. Yes, Anand, Nirmal, I understood. Abhi Sharma vlog. Abhi Sharma, redox will be the correct. Potato, okay. Potato, very good Anand, Roji, Mr. Shonwani, Vijay, Anand, Deepen, Srishti, Divyanshi, Abhi, Antima, Shivam, Prachi, very good, absolutely correct. The correct answer will be potato. Very good. Potato, because I-buds is found. I-buds, suppose this is your potato. This is your I-bud. I-buds are found in potato. Okay. Write down the answer which I am going to ask you question. Potato is an example of root, stem, both modified leaf. Yes, write down A, B, C, D. Potato is an example of root, stem, both modified leaf. Yes, write down fast. I am watching your comment. Potato, very good Nirmal, Prachi, Sonwani, Anand, Shivam. Okay, Nirmal, understood, very good. Write down fast. Potato is an example of stem, very good. Very good, Sonwani, Sachin, Shivam, what will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be stem. Shivam, root. Anshika, root. Prachi, stem. Pooja, root. Okay, Vijay, Deepen, stem. Some of you opting root. Okay, listen carefully. Which one will be the correct answer? Potato is an example of stem. Potato is an example of stem. Okay, see, as you know, root, root, their growth of root starts in the radical part of seed. Radical part of seed, this is root. And what about stem? Plumule, plumule. Okay, plumule, part of the seed. Plumule, plumule, part of the seed. Is it clear? Root is also basically two types. Number one is your tap root, and next one adventitious root. Tap root and adventitious root. Okay, what about stem? Stem have modified stem, is also known as, you can say, underground stem. Underground stem. Modified stem, or you can say underground stem. Example of modified stem or underground stem, for example, potato, ginger, garlic, turmeric, potato, ginger, garlic, turmeric, all these are the example of modified stem, or you can say underground stem. Is it clear? Okay, next one, taproot. There is three types of taproot. Write down the name in live chat. Three types of taproot. Number one, conical. Next one, fusiform. Next one, napiform. Is it clear? Okay, next one, conical. Conical is a shape like that. Its base is looking like a cone. So best example is your carrot. Fusiform, base. Basically, base and stem are the same. This you can say radish. Radish is an example of fusiform. What about napiform? This is your napiform. You can say turnip, or you can say beetroot. Turnip or beetroot is example of napiform, fusiform, radish, conical, carrot. All these are the example of taproot. Is it clear? My dear student? And taproots are also known as dicot. Taproot is also known as dicot, whereas adventitious root is known as monocot. It is also known as monocot. Is it clear? Okay, very good. Go ahead with next question. This is your next question. Herbivores have longer small intestine than carnivores because Because option A, to digest protein, option B, to digest cellulose, option C, for increasing the rate of absorption, option D, for increasing the rate of digestion. Yes, write down the correct answer of sixth question. My dear student, I am watching your comment. Antima Singh wrote dazzling. Okay, Abhi Sharma, sweet potato. Abhi Sharma, sweet potato. My dear student, sweet potato is an example of sweet potato. Sweet potato is an example of modified root. Modified root. Is it clear? But what about potato? Potato is an example of underground stem. Underground stem. Okay, sweet potato is an example of modified root, but potato is an example of underground stem. Is it clear? Who was asking? Abhi Sharma. Abhi Sharma got the point. Prachi, very good. Conical root. Okay, okay, very good, very good. Anand, to digest cellulose. Divyanshi, to digest cellulose, very good. Srishti, B. Okay, B. Shivam, Roji, Vijay, Pooja, Anand, Antima, 6B. Very good, Antima. Abhi Sharma, B, very good, very good. You all have given absolutely correct answer. My dear student, the correct answer will be B, to digest cellulose. To digest cellulose. This is the best reason. Herbivores have longer small intestine than carnivores, because it helps to digest cellulose. Write down the answer of question which I am going to ask you. Cellulose, which type of carbohydrate is cellulose, or cellulose is an example of? Write down fast. Monosaccharide, di or bisaccharide, di or bisaccharide, and third one polysaccharide. All. Write down fast. Cellulose is an example of monosaccharide, di or bisaccharide, polysaccharide, all. Write down fast. I am watching your comment, my dear student. Anshika, B. Prachi, B. Abhi, B. Okay, okay, good. Write down fast. Write down fast. I'm feeling thirsty. Okay, very good, Anand, Abhi, Roji, Sonwani, Vijay, Divyanshi, Prachi, Shivam, very good. So, polysaccharides are made up with more than 10 monosaccharide. Okay, very good. Example of di or bisaccharide. Write down. Example of di or bisaccharide. Fast. Example of di or bisaccharide. Maltose, lactose, sucrose. Maltose, lactose, sucrose. All these are the examples of di or bisaccharide. Next question. Next question, which one is common among maltose, lactose, sucrose? Write down in live chat. Which one is common? Which one is common? Glucose. Glucose is common. Glucose is common. Is it clear? Glucose is common. Next one, when glucose add with glucose, then what is the result? Maltose will be formed. Next, lactose, glucose plus galactose, then lactose, sucrose, glucose plus fructose, Is it clear? Maltose is equal to glucose plus glucose, lactose, glucose plus galactose, sucrose, glucose plus fructose. Is it clear? Glucose will be common with maltose, lactose and sucrose. Is it clear? Maltose is known as almond sugar. Why almond sugar? Because maltose is found in almond. Lactose is known as milk sugar. It is known as milk sugar. Why? Sweetness of milk is due to lactose. Next one, sucrose. Sucrose is known as jaggery sugar, or you can sugarcane carbohydrate, jaggery carbohydrate. Is it clear? Okay, very good. Go ahead with next question. This is your next question. The correct order of parts of large intestine in humans is option A, cecum, rectum, cecum, rectum, cecum, rectum, cecum. Yes, write down fast. Of 7th question, Anshika, maltose, very good. Vijay, Nirmal, Divyanshi, Anshika, Prachi, Shivam, very good Shivam. Now write down the answer of 7th question. I am watching your comment. Yes, understood, Nirmal. Correct order of parts of large intestine in humans is, which one will be the correct answer? A, Prachi, Shivam, Antima, Singh, very good Antima, A, very good. Nirmal, B. Read properly, dear Nirmal. I know you know the answer of this question, but read the question properly, then write the option. Dipendra, Vijay, Anand, Divyanshi, Abhi. Okay, Abhi is saying C will be the correct. Okay, Dipendra, Anshika, Nirmal, Anand. Okay, Abhi, I will tell you. Varun, Nirmal, Anshika, very good. Cecum, rectum, very good. C. Which one will be the correct answer? The correct order of parts of large intestine in human is, first part is your cecum, next one is your colon, third one is your rectum. A will be the correct answer. C. There are two types of intestine. Number one is small intestine, number two is large intestine. Is it clear? Large intestine and small intestine. Small intestine have 3 subparts. How many subparts? 3 subparts. Write down in live chat. Which one? Number one, small intestine, duodenum. Next one, jejunum. jejunum, and third one is your ileum. In short form, DJI. DJI. D duodenum, J jejunum, I ileum. This is a sub part of small intestine. Okay. What about large intestine? What about large intestine? Have also three subparts. Which one? Cecum, cecum, next one colon, and last one is your rectum. In a short form, CCR. CCR. Okay, and this one DJI. Okay, see the figure. Suppose this is your stomach. This is your stomach, and this is your liver. This is your liver. This is your stomach, and your stomach. This is your stomach. Stomach is connected with your small intestine, and when small intestine is connected with large intestine, this is your large intestine. This is your large intestine. Okay, see, this is your small intestine. Small intestine is connected with our stomach. Okay, this when small intestine, this is your small intestine, and this is your large intestine. There is a junction. Between a small intestine and large intestine. This is known as cecum. This is known as cecum. It means cecum is a junction. Cecum is a junction of a small intestine, or you can say large intestine. Is it clear? Okay, next one. This is your colon part. This is your, my dear student, this is your colon part. This one is your colon part. This is also your colon part. And the last one, and my dear student, this is the last part. This is your rectum. This is your rectum. Is it clear? Cecum, one vestigial organ. Vestigial organ is found in cecum. Write down the name of vestigial organ which is found in cecum in comment box. Write down fast. The name of vestigial organ is your appendix. This is your appendix. Appendix is a vestigial organ which is found in cecum. Cecum is a junction of a small intestine and large intestine. Is it clear? My dear student? Okay, very good. Abhi, Nirmal, Anshika, yes, Shivam, CCR. Okay, Amit Gaur, very good evening, Amit. Avnish, Cecum. Okay, Nirmal. Need not to write like Anshika, appendix. Very good, Anshika. Cecum, colon, and rectum. All these are the parts of large intestine. My dear student, this is your large intestine. And this one, green color is representing your small intestine. Is it clear? Okay, appendix. Anand, Prachi, Nirmal. Very good, very good. Okay, go ahead with next question. This is your next question. Villi is present in. Villi is present in small intestine, large intestine, stomach, both A and B. Write down the correct answer. 5. Dear Anand, there are total 5 vestigial organs in our body. Write down fast. Write down the answer of 18th question. I am watching your comment. Dear Anand, 5. I told you. Write down fast. I am watching your comment. Which one will be the correct answer? Villi is present in small intestine, large intestine, stomach, both A and B. Small intestine, Deepend, Avnish, small, okay. Shivam, C, stomach, okay. Fast, fast. Antima Singh, 8A. Very good. Very good, very good, Antima. What will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be a small intestine. A small intestine. Is it clear? How many subparts? 3 subparts: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. This is your ileum part. Okay. Ileum have villi. Ileum have villi. And what is the structure of villi? Villi have finger-like structure. Finger-like, digested food for absorption. For absorption. Is it clear? So the correct answer will be small intestine. Very good. Okay. Very good. Nirmal, Pooja, Anand, Amit. Okay, Nirmal Mishra. Okay, small intestine, Anshika. Okay, let's see the next question. Question number 9. Assertion. In human body, liver has an important role in fat digestion. Reason are liver produces two important fats digesting enzymes. A. Both A and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. So option C, A is true, but R is false. D, A is false, but R is true. Yes, write down. Write down. Amit Gaur, write down the answer of this question. I am watching your comment. Fast, fast. B. Deependra B. Shivam B. D. D. Okay. C. Which one will be the correct answer? In human body, liver has an important role in fat digestion. Absolutely correct. Reason: liver produces two important fats digesting enzymes. No, reason is not correct. So both A and R is correct. Both A and R is the correct explanation of A. No. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. No. A is true, but R is false. Yes. A is true, but R is false. Very good. Okay, go ahead with next question. Next question. Assertion. In the human body, the liver stores carbohydrate as glycogen. What is the reason? Liver is the largest organ of human body. Option A, both. Option A is your both. A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is true, but R is false. And D, A is false, but R is true. Yes, write down. Write down the correct answer of this question fast. I am watching your comment, my dear student. Which one will be the correct answer? Which one will be the correct answer? Write down fast. Write down fast. 9D. 9D. A is false. R is true. Okay, Antima. Shrishti D. Amit D. Pooja Shivam. 10D. Okay, write down fast. D. You all are opting. Amit, Anshika, Dipen, Divyanshi, Avnish, Shivam, Pooja, Divyanshi, Ansika. D. Okay. See, which one will be the correct answer? In the human body, liver stores carbohydrate as glycogen. This statement is absolutely correct. Okay, in human body, liver stores carbohydrate as glycogen. I taught you, my dear student, storage of glycogen. Glycogen stores in two places. Number one is your liver. Number two is your muscles. Number one is your liver. Number two is your muscles. So statement one is absolutely correct. Next one, liver is the largest organ of human body. Yes, liver is the largest organ of human body. Is it clear? That's why liver is also known as largest exocrine gland in our human body. Largest exocrine gland in human body. Write down the weight of liver is about 1.5 kg. Write down study of liver. Study of liver is known as, write down fast, study of liver known as, write down the answer of this question. Study of liver is known as hepatology. So according to this option, which one will be the correct answer? This one. In the human body, liver stores carbohydrate as glycogen. Liver is the largest organ of human body. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. No, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. B will be the correct, because both sentences are absolutely correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Is it clear? Okay. One thing more. Which juice? I'm asking you next question. Which juice produces by liver? Answer please. Which juice produces by liver? Write down fast. Write down fast, my dear student. Which juice produces by liver? Write down in live chat. The name of that juice is bile juice. Is it clear? Write down the pH value of bile juice is about 7.5 to 8.5. What about its nature? Its nature is about slightly basic. Is it clear? Okay. Is it clear? Okay, go ahead with next question. This is your next question number 11, and this is your last question of the day. Okay, fast. Okay, I'm reading this question. Match the following list. List 1, list 2. Brain box. B, only movable bone in the skull. C, immovable joint. D, join brain to the spinal cord? List B, mandible, foramen magnum, sutures, and 4, cranium. Yes, write down fast. Which one will be the correct answer? Bile juice. Very good. Anand, Shivam, Antima, Sonwani, Nirmal, Pooja, Shivam, Divyanshi. Very good, very good, very good. You all have given absolutely correct answer. Write down the correct answer of this question. Shivam, D. Dipendra, 11C. Divyasi, 7.5 to 8.5. Okay, good. Write down the answer of 11th question. Dipendra, 11C. Divyanshi, write down the answer of 11th question. Dipendra, 11C. Okay. Antima Singh, 11C. Okay, okay. Let's see which one will be the correct answer. Brain box, brain box, brain box, mandible, foramen, cranium. A4, 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 brain box, cranium. Cranium is a bone which protect the human brain. A4, is there any A4? A4, A4. Okay, so A and C will be the wrong. Okay, next one. Only movable bone in the skull is your mandible. Is your mandible. B1. Is there any B1? B1, B1, B1. Okay, B. B will be the correct answer. C3, C3, and D2. D2. Very good, very good. You all have given absolutely correct. So B, B, B. Very good, Shivam, Amit, Krishna Kumar. Hello, Krishna Kumar. Dipendra, Pooja, Avnish, Shonwani. Mr. Shonwani, this is your joints. This is your joint. This is the name of your joint, and this joint is immovable joint. This is your immovable joints. Is it clear? 11B. Very good, Roji. Okay, okay, okay. Very good. You all have given absolutely correct answer. Thank you, and thank you for attending this session. Good night, my dear student. Take care and see you on Monday on right time 8 to 9 with Rahul Shukla. Thank you for today.